In this lesson, I'm going to talk about the clip list, which is just over here. And like the other lists before it, the track and the groups, we have a drop down here and we can see lots of options. Now let me just drop an audio file in. Let's just bring in this whoosh and I'm going to drop it specifically in the clip bin. There we are. Now we've got a few more options. We can find audio files, and this can be accessed with Command Shift and F or Control Shift and F on a PC. And we can search for specific files, DPT. Press enter and it will reveal those files with that name. I like to leave this on. If you add new files to Pro Tools, it will just leave those in any search you do. Kind of handy, but you can turn that on or off. So there I'm searching for nothing and it's not showing anything but that. So we can find, we can clear find, which is Shift, Command and D. Select parent in session browser. So if you make sub clips, it'll be able to select the parent. We can ask it, like the track window, we can ask it to show certain types of audio files. We can see information about them, what time base, its color, its processing state, its file name, disk name, full path, channel name, scene and take. Now, I only really amend this when I want to make sure that something's saved to the right drive, and you can ask for it to show the full path. So if I adjust this here, we'll be able to see exactly where that file is. And to hide that information, we just go back in here and uncheck it. We've got some other functionality here, but we need some more files in the session, so we'll come back to these. But you've got clear to remove a file. So once it's selected, we have the option here to clear the file, which is Shift Command B. We can rename it with Shift Command R. Obviously, change command for control on the PC. We can rename a batch of files using Control, Shift and R. We can auto rename. We can change the timestamp. We can spot them into the session. We have a bit of MIDI functionality here. Compact, export as files, definitions. We can recalculate the waveform. If you find that your session's not loaded right and it all looks a bit higgledy-piggledy, you can ask it to recalculate your waveforms. And how your audio clips drop onto your timeline. Do they drop top to bottom, which would be, if you've got two tracks and you've got two clips, it'll go on track 1 and the second file will go on track 2. Or will it just drop first clip on track 1 there, and then immediately next to it on the right hand side, it'll drop the second clip on the same track. So that is the clip list.